Ang cost, time, quality ng materials at assurance ng safety ay ilan sa mga critical success factors sa isang construction project. Dito sa Pilipinas, we have full confidence in the use of hollow blocks sa pag-construct ng residential building at iba pang structures. Pero alam mo ba na merong technology na nagbibigay sa atin ng opportunity to construct a building that is 20 to 30% faster at 2 to 3 times stronger compared sa mga structures na gawa sa hollow blocks? Samahan niyo ako sa video na to as I introduce the expanded polystyrene panel or tinatawag nating EPS panel system. Today, itutur ko kayo sa pinakaunang bahay sa Batangas na gumamit ng EPS panel. Tara! Ang EPS panel system ay isang modern building material at produkto ng modern technology sa construction. You may be surprised that this is actually made of what we typically call styro and wire mesh. But you will be surprised also that tests prove that this polyestyrene with wire stuck together and sprayed with cement is actually up to 3 times stronger than hollow blocks.
What you're seeing right now is EPS panels composed of styrofoam and wire mesh. So the styrofoam at the middle of 2 wire mesh sandwiched together, and it's welded together. The difference between SRC and hollow blocks in terms to strength is 3 to 4 times stronger than hollow blocks. And the advantage is better insulation, heat insulation, and also sound insulation. So the light material you use, the structural will get stronger.
The EPS is also designed to function as thermal and acoustic insulation. Binablock ng panels ang init na nanggagaling sa labas and i-maintain ang lamig ng loob ng structure. In terms of acoustic insulation, using this material allows for soundproofing. This helps to stop the noise from either the outside or in the inside to pass through the structure. Ilan na mga ito sa mga rason ng mga homeowners sa pagpili ng EPS para sa kanilang mga bahay. The EPS panel is also very flexible material that can be used to build walls, floorings, stairs, and even ceiling. That's another reason to consider these panels in building basically any structure you want to build. Pag-usapan naman natin ang dalawa pang advantages sa paggamit ng EPS sa pag-construct ng bahay or commercial building. Ang isa dito ay ang bilis sa paggawa. As the EPS panels are lightweight, they are much easier to make, transport, and install compared sa hollow blocks na isa-isang pinapatas hanggang mabuo. EPS is installed per one whole panel. So here, you get more done in one go. Makikita mo rin ang advantage ng EPS as a lightweight material kung gumagawa ka ng multi-story building. Dahil sa halip na mangangailangan ka ng equipment para maiakyat ang mga hollow blocks, with EPS panel, isang tao ay kayang-kayang isang 4x8 or 4x10 na panel. Given all this, makasave ka ng 20 to 30% ng time ng construction kung EPS panel ang gamit mo. If you are a contractor or a homeowner, it's an obvious advantage not only on the time but also in the cost of the building. This is of course while you are also guaranteed of its strength. You must be thinking at this point, gaano ba ka-safe ang bahay na gawa sa EPS? Another thing to surprise you is that EPS panel made structures in fact make you safer from earthquakes and storms. When fully installed, the polystyrene core, steel mesh, and mortar plaster support one another for greater flexibility to resist seismic and wind forces. Technically, the lighter the structure, the more resistant it is from the earthquake. This means that with EPS panels, you have better protection against earthquake and other forces of nature as compared to traditional methods of construction.
Ang structure ng building, when you compare it into human bones, the weight of the body is the less load for the bones or for the structure. So when there's an earthquake, ang sinusuportahan lang ng ating structural is mas magaan. So, hindi siya mahihirapan i-hold yung ating load. So, yun yung kanyang advantage when it comes to seismic force.
Take note, it's true not only for homes but also for high-rising buildings. In fact, marami ng mga schools, commercial building, and other structures like condominium ang naipatayo gamit ang EPS. We may be very accustomed to the traditional construction here in the Philippines, but with the advancement in technology in terms of construction and in the building industry, hindi na rin masamang sumabay, lalo na kung guaranteed ang safety at kung dito rin tayo makakasave ng time and money. The EPS panels are sure to give both homeowners and contractors a different kind of experience in building.